name is Sawani. I worked for the Ministry of Agriculture for 33 years and then retired as a village extension worker. But before all this, I once worked in this very garden in 1974 as a head gardener, I can say. And then after that, the garden was abandoned. So the garden is, before it was 11 hectares, but now it's left only with 1.5 hectares. The garden was established in 1924, but it was later abandoned because there was no care on the garden. So it was almost abandoned until some years ago, about 7 years ago, as I said, a couple called Mr. and Mrs. Phillips sponsored the garden and then employed myself and 4 others to look after the garden. The garden actually has 373 different types of plants, both indigenous and exotics. Until recently, we had another garden called medicinal garden. The purpose of this medicinal garden was to plant different types of local trees that can be used as a medicine, so that in future, people who cannot afford Western medicine, they can go into these plants. This garden is mostly visited by all type of plants, all type of people, both the tourists and the other people. But normally it's only the tourists that are paying the entrance fee. But sometimes we receive some school children and also university students and individual people also be visited, people who are interested in plants. But one thing very important is there is a plant called teleport palm, which normally flower at the age of 50 years. Right now is 29 years old. It's very interesting because according to the internet, there is only 100 trees of this kind in the whole world. Actually, I'm advising every person to try and visit this garden because botanic garden is very, very useful. First, we are trying to test or to see what sort of plants can grow in this climatic condition. And the two botanic gardens provide exotic trees, also provide seed, also encourages birds and other type of insects like butterflies. And there are people who are very, very interested in seeing butterflies. So even bird watchers normally come to this garden because you have a lot of trees and you have a lot of shades. This encourages birds and butterflies to walk about. Yes, because there are plants that are only for shade, that can grow only in the shade. There are also plants that grows on the sunlight, and there are also indoor plants. There are outdoor plants. So this is how we arrange these plants. Plants that are shade lovers, we plant them under the shade. Those that are sun lovers, we plant them direct to the sun where you have sunlight. And there are also creepers that you can make as a pergola or as a screen. And all these plants are all in the botanic garden and very, very useful. And there are also fruit trees in the garden. It's all mixed, both flowering and non-flowering, fruit trees, edible, non-edible. On my behalf and on behalf of the whole Gambia, I want to thank the donor or the sponsor, Mr. and Mrs. Phillips, for what they have done for this country. And in fact, also I forgot to mention this. This couple has affiliated this garden to Oxford Botanic Garden, and also World Botanic Garden. This garden is affiliated.